Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. At this point in our note sharing application, and really in all of our other full stack applications that we've seen as well, the only way that our front end and back end have been able to talk to each other is via network requests, right? Where the front end sends a request to the back end processes that request and sends back a response to the front end. Now, this kind of interaction will be more than enough for us, and I'd say probably about 90 to 95% of the situations in full stack development. But still, you may have found yourself wondering, is there a different way that we can have our front end and back end talk to each other that's more interactive? So for example, one thing that we can't do right now in our full stack application is have two users editing the same note at the same time and seeing each other's changes in real time, like you might see in something like Google Sheets. So in order to make that kind of interaction possible, we're going to need to use a technology called WebSockets, and that's what we're going to be taking a look at here today. More specifically, we're going to see how to incorporate WebSockets into our note sharing application to allow our users to see each other's changes in real time. So WebSockets are definitely going to be a fun topic to cover. Let's jump right in and see what they're all about.